Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Loving that BNB up today over 600. But today's talk is Discord and spam and scams and Discord. And that is, how do you stop getting DMs in Discord? So I know that Telegram makes it a little more difficult, but in Discord, it's pretty straightforward. So basically, you wake up and then you have like 50 million DMs from every single NFT and scam joining. And you're like, where are these messages originating from? Well, what people are doing is they're mining the rooms of the groups that you're in, and then they're simply generating DMs out of those rooms. So what you have to do is go into each of your Discord rooms that you're in and change your DM settings. So first, like here, I'm on Alchemist, and I'm going to click on this arrow in the top left, which will be, that's going to be the same for everything. And then you're going to go to privacy settings and then allow direct messages from server members. Just simply turn this off. The reality is you're not wanting DMs from a bunch of people, and if you do, they're going to be on your friends list anyway. So go through and turn this off on everything, and this should reduce your spam and scams by like 99.99%. So hope you liked today's video. As always, like and subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.